Hi, in this short video I'm going to give you an idea of how to use a very powerful assignments tool for using differentiated classroom. Helps you to personalize and customize the assignments for each student. So again, we'll start off on the home page. We have a list of quizzes that the students are working on, and then we can also over here see the leaderboard with different students. In this case, we only have one student in the class. But if we go up here, we see this link called Assignments. And it looks pretty simple, but it's very powerful. What we have here, again, is each of the students in the class and also the teacher. We have our one student. And the columns are the actual quizzes that are in the class. There's a number of things you can do. You may have students that may be more or less challenged by particular content. So for instance, if Emily was a student, in this case she's a teacher, maybe we might assign Emily this Eclipses quiz, which is much more difficult, much longer, and we might assign Jose just a shorter version of that. So you can do that by clicking on these boxes. I could also turn it off for the entire class or turn it on for the entire class. But let's do that just for now. Let's assume we'll give Jose the shorter version and Emily the longer version. The other thing you can do is set a due date. So this will show up on the home screen and remind the student when it is due. And the other thing you can do is to remove the quiz from the class. But what's very nice about this is if the quiz is removed, you can always add it back in later, and all of the data from the students will be restored.